Hi, my name is Natasha and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Juvenon Bloodflow7 before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Juvenon Bloodflow7 is: be careful with the website you're going to buy Juvenon Bloodflow7 from, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So, what is Juvenon Bloodflow7, and does it actually work? The answer is yes, Juvenon Bloodflow7 works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will increases blood flow to your entire body. This means traveling through tiny capillaries that are critically important to restoring and maintaining your health. Since these capillaries cover 74% of your body, it makes sense that if you can't increase your blood flow through them, the vast majority of your organs and cells will be deprived of what they need to stay healthy. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Juvenon Bloodflow7, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Juvenon Bloodflow7 for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Juvenon Bloodflow7 to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day. You must take 3 capsules each day. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Juvenon Bloodflow7 has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Juvenon Bloodflow7 from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Juvenon Bloodflow7 actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.